positive experience on the network is a road that is well designed. And I know you mentioned the iRAP methodology in your introduction. Can you tell us more about that, and thinking particularly about how that's evolving in the era of connected and ultimately automated vehicles?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Nick. So iRAP gives us a safe system, proactive way of measuring and understanding risk across a network. And it's really evolved over the last 15 to 20 years, so an awful lot of expertise has gone into the development of the model, and it's based as much as possible on the best evidence that we can find in research literature. So understanding how different road characteristics relate to the likelihood and the severity of crashes when they happen. So as the vehicle fleet changes, we also need to change the model. So in anticipation of ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, and more automated systems, we need to be thinking about things like white lines and how readable the road is. And indeed, there have been a few publications over the years from our family of charities on roads that cars can read. And also now, as vehicles are relaying tons and tons of information up into the ether, we're starting to see how some of that information can be used within the iRAP model. So iRAP is free to use, but it's also very data hungry. So it wants 52 characteristics every 100 metres across a network. And actually we're finding that we can glean some of that information from the connected vehicles of today. The first sort of way that we've been doing that has been through using speed telematics data, so we get a really rich understanding of how speed changes across the network, and that really helps us with really good intelligence to feed into that iRAP model. And in light of that, we've been doing a project in the West Midlands for the Road Safety Trust, all about how we make telematics speed data available to as many stakeholders as possible.